Hi! In front of me is REALME GT 2 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this REALME. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access privacy. Following that, click on privacy next to permissions at the top and tap on app lock. Then click on this gray switcher next to app lock feature, and if you don't have your privacy password, click on settings in the pop-up in order to set it up. Now tap on use a different password type and select the best login method for your apps, in my case pattern. Now create it and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then set up your recovery email just in case and save it by choosing confirm in the pop-up. Following that, you need to answer security question. If you don't like it, click on it and pick one of those. If you don't like any of them, just tap on custom question and create your own. Hit confirm in order to save it, and remember to answer it correctly below. Lastly, tap on this check mark at the top right corner. And finally, click on the switcher next to an app that you wish to lock, in my case Amazon Shopping. So now when I go back and try to access Amazon app, I can see that pattern is now required. If you wish to disable app lock from one of your apps, go into exactly the same settings, tap on app lock, enter your privacy password and tap on the same no blue switcher. In order to disable app lock completely, tap on this switcher next to app lock feature, and now it's disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!